Hi guys, Disney Toys Review here. Today we have a Matchbox pop-up playset and we have Matchbox on a Mission Construction Zone. It's a 5-pack. Whoa! Look, you can even get the Dino Breakout playset. That's fun. We actually have a Bash and Build playset. This is one we've played with before, but it is so much fun. Whoa, check that out. In just a second, you have a whole playset to use. Look at that. Doesn't take long at all. We'll set that right back here because we want to get a better look at our cars. Let's get them all open. This comes with 5 vehicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look at that. It raises. I love the orange and black wheels and the orange and black car. Let's put him right up here. Let's see who's next. We have a white one. Look at that. It goes really far. And it's got tracks on it. Isn't that awesome? It's ready to work too. Look at this one. This is a green one. It's got black wheels. Really cool. Wow. Blue and red and black wheels. Look at that. It's got a red cup. Very neat. And finally, we have a grader. It's a blue one with yellow on the top and black wheels. Wow, it's ready to flatten the road. Hey everybody, I'm ready to help the construction site move along. I love helping out. I'm ready with my scoop. What should we do first? Let's knock down some buildings. Let's see how well we can destroy them. Psh, psh, whoa! Yay, we did it! Let's see what else we can do. Let's see what the special truck does. Oh, he's here to help. Great job! Can you go down the ramp? Let's see what the next one's gonna do. Do you think he can pick up all this stuff? I think he can, but it might take a little while. Look, he's got some in his cup right now. He's gonna put it over there. Come back and get some more. Whoa, that's a really big load. I think we got it all. Yay! Great job. I wonder what's happening over here. Let's go see. Wow! Look at all these trucks working. Wow, it's a lot of fun to see the construction site all at work. I'm so glad you got to come see it with me. These trucks are really neat. Without them, I don't think we could build very many wonderful things. Well, thank you guys for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned right here on Disney Toys Review for more videos with your favorite toys.